taking a while, and I'm sorry about that. I'm sure you probably want to see a truck. I will get around to that. It's just time consuming with everything that's been going on. We're currently under like a hurricane watch still, I believe. I think the last vlog we made, we were under hurricane issues. But the truck's been lifted for a while now, about 4 months. Obviously we did finish her in time for Daytona, made it out there for that. Ready in time for Daytona. We were waiting on parts for a little bit, so the build did take a little longer than I really expected. I was hoping that it would be done about 5 to 7 days. Waiting on parts. By the time we got everything mocked up, it took about 10 to 12 days. Mocked up, powder coated, but it was taken care of. It's all lifted, done. But we're gonna ride, get some more footage here.